Thank you to the first episode of Keep Keto Simple. Now, what exactly is the ketogenic diet? The keto diet is a low carbohydrate diet, but it differs from other low carbohydrate diets in that it deliberately manipulates the ratios of carbs, fats, and protein to change fat into the body's primary fuel source. Now, our bodies are used to turning carbohydrates into glucose to use as fuel. That means that the extra fat is stored and keeps adding on the pounds. Now, the ketogenic diet uses fat for fuel, which means it gets used instead of stored. In addition to weight loss, the ketogenic diet is known as the healing diet. The lack of sugar intake has been proven to help and prevent many diseases, from heart disease, high blood pressure, cancers, epilepsy, and many symptoms of aging. This manipulation of carbs, fats, and protein is called ketosis. Now, it's a state when the body's deprived of the usual carbohydrates and sugar, and is forced to use fat as its primary fuel source. Turning insulin to fat also means lowering the amount of insulin in your body. That's why the keto diet has been so successful in helping people deal with diabetes. And this is because the ratio of fats, carbs, and protein can vary. Now, many people allow themselves up to 50 grams of carbohydrates a day and still lose weight. On a stricter regimen, the carb intake can be as low as 15 to 20 grams a day. I usually recommend about 20 grams of carbs per day. The less carbs, the quicker the weight loss, but the diet is very flexible. On the keto diet, you don't count calories. You count carbohydrates and adjust the intake of carbs versus fats and protein. Now, a typical keto diet will get 60% of its calories from fat, 15 to 25% of calories from protein, and 25% of calories from carbohydrates. The only limitation on the diet is sugar, which you need to avoid at all costs. Now, many scientific studies have shown that there are benefits and healing effects of ketosis. Of course, discuss the ketogenic diet with your doctor if you feel you need to, and if you are interested in consuming less sugar, losing weight, or prevent disease from occurring. And I advise you, if you want more information about the ketogenic diet, or you're thinking about beginning it, please click the link below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.